AI is transforming the recruitment industry, but are you ready? Here are the 5 must-dos to future-proof your agency. Firstly, you need to look at what? Define your agency's specific AI goals. Set out what you actually want to achieve so you can determine if the AI implementation within your business will be a success. I would recommend mapping out your existing candidate and client workflows. This will help you understand the key areas that are taking up a lot of time, aren't as efficient as they could be, or you think there could be better products to solve those gaps so you can get candidates over to CVs faster or to find higher quality candidates quicker. So map this out and we can really start to then drill down into the gaps in which AI might be able to fill in and support you. About a year ago, I got a phone call from someone who said, Holly, I need to bring some AI into my business. What should we buy? And I said, you're going about this the wrong way. Look at what you've got in your business already. Look at your existing processes and then choose the AI based on that. So do it the right way. In at number 2, we've got choosing the right product. There are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of AI products out there, from ChatGPT to stuff built right into Bullhorn. But what we want to make sure is we're choosing the right product for you. So I would recommend speaking to all your existing suppliers, including your CRM providers and any of the technology within your CRM, to really understand what products and AI systems they are bringing out. For example, Bullhorn is in the process of rolling out more and more features within Bullhorn AI Assist, which is really, really exciting. There are other Bullhorn marketplace products such as Sourcewell, Kylo, Hirara that offer some amazing AI products. So really drill down and look at the right product that is going to work for you. Select 2 or 3 to look at and then really drill down into which ones it will deliver what you need to, that obviously will have a really good customer success platform in place and are continually improving the AI because there's still a long way to go with the functionalities that we have now. So choose the right products that work for you. It will be really important to measure the success of the AI that you bring in. So in at number 3, I recommend creating KPIs and measurables to really understand and evaluate the success of the AI. This could be how much time this has saved your recruiters. This could be how much more money your team is able to make, or how many more candidates you are able to communicate with on a monthly or annual basis. Set these KPIs out before you even implement the product and start to evaluate it every few months, if not on a monthly basis, to really understand if this new AI and these new processes are actually bringing value to their business. If they're not bringing value, or there's still a long way to go, look at what you can do to refine the process further and integrate AI even deeper into your business to get you the desired results. Now, for those of you who know me will know that number 4 is one of the key things that I talk about: training. Do not underestimate the power of training and the power of lack of training to completely scupper the whole project. If we're bringing in new processes around AI and new products for your team to learn, it is vital they actually understand the product and how it works, and most importantly, how it's going to make them more efficient and how it's going to benefit them. So once you've implemented any new AI process or product, make sure you put a really good training plan process in place, either with the product provider or within your business, to get this off the ground and get your team fully using it. I would recommend you do something that's around 12 weeks long with check-ins every couple of weeks to really make sure they're maximizing every single feature. Do not undervalue the importance of training within the AI process. And lastly, in at number 5, we've got data. Often recruitment agencies have got hundreds of thousands of records, candidate data, contact data, and very sadly, none of it is particularly clean or optimized, which means it's really hard to search for candidates. Contact records aren't up to date. There's duplicated companies. It's not obvious who we've got terms signed with, who haven't got terms signed with. So cleaning up data should be a real priority in your business, because the AI is only going to be as good as the data that it can use. If your data isn't good enough, then invest time and effort into improving it and getting it into a better place. You can start by watching this video all about how to improve your data. It really could make your agency millions.